Welcome to another Look Smarter Than You Are with Essbase video. I'm Glenn Schwartzberg, and today we're going to be talking about ASO Partial Data Clear. What is a partial data clear? Basically, it's the ability to remove data from part of an ASO cube. Does not work for a block storage cube. It was available starting in System 9.3.1 and more extensively available in 11.1.x. It's done through MaxL. It can also be done through EAS, but MaxL is the most common way to do it, and we use an alter database statement to do it. So here's an example: alter database, clear data in region, and you set up an MDX expression, and you have this optional physical keyword. So there are two types of clears, physical and logical. A physical removes the data from the database and is a slower retrieval because it has to go into all of the cells and actually remove the data. A logical clear creates offsetting entries when it is clearing the data. The difference between the physical clear and the logical clear is if you do a retrieval from a physical clear, you'll get pound missing. With a logical clear, you'll get a 0 instead of pound missing, but the logical clear is much, much faster because it's only doing those cells that are changing. So here's a couple of samples for doing it. If I wanted to clear data for January, I would say alter database ASO sample, clear data in region, and I'm just using the set or the tuple of January. And you can see it cleared it, and it cleared it in about a second. How about if we wanted to do a range? Well, in this case, we just specify the range because it's a set, and it will clear it as well. We can use substitution variables in our clears, so we can make this more dynamic, and this is in MaxL that we can do it. So we could clear data from region that has a substitution variable in it. We could also clear data in multiple groups. So in this case, we have January through June, which is a set of members, and we're going to cross-join it to current year and returns, which is another, that one happens to be a tuple of data. So we could get multiple sets here. If we have multiple sets, then we need to do multiple nested cross joins in order to get those sets done. You should try to keep the MDX as simple as possible. For example, if we only have one member from multiple dimensions, we can put them into a single tuple within a single set. So here I'm using a substitution variable for cur month and cur year, actual and final. These are 4 different dimensions, so I can just list them individually in one set. I don't have to do any type of cross joins. Makes it much more efficient. The clear doesn't like formulaic members, so if you have what's dynamically calculated, you might have to use the except clause to filter them out. That's it about partial data clears. Don't forget to view my other videos on what are ASO incremental data slices and what the auto merge configuration setting does for ASO slices.